In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install the MyQ Smart Garage Hub from Chamberlain to get notification and control your garage door from anywhere. You can open your garage door to let the UPS guys, the FedEx guy, and the Amazon package to be delivered into your garage instead of leaving outside to where people can steal your packages. You will get notification if you forget to close your garage door. You can open the garage door to let your family in if they need something from your garage. It's very convenient. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, and then I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install the MyQ Smart Garage Hub. So let's get started. Inside the MyQ Smart Garage Hub box, you get the Wi-Fi hub, a quick start guide, warning label, and one door sensor, the power adapter, mounting bracket, and double-sided pad, sticky pad, mounting screws. The MyQ Smart Garage Hub are compatible with garage door openers that are built after 1993. To check the compatibility of your garage door opener, just go to chamberlain.com/MyQ compatibility. Before we set up and install the MyQ Garage Door Hub, go to the Google Play Store, the App Store on your mobile devices to install the MyQ app and set up the account. After you finish setting up the account, go to the MyQ app, click on it, and then click on Add Device. Then scroll down and click on MyQ Smart Garage Hub. And this is what you need to do before we set up the MyQ Smart Hub. You need to check the compatibility on the website. Go to the garage door opener in your garage and bring your phone there. Make sure you get a good Wi-Fi signal, at least like 2 bar. Connect it to your Wi-Fi. You need a ladder and drill with a 5/32 drill bit. Take your mobile device with you into your garage and walk close to the garage door opener and look at your Wi-Fi signal on your mobile device, see how many bar you have. And it looks like my Wi-Fi signal is very strong, so I'm good to go. Before I mount the door sensor and the Wi-Fi hub, I'm going to plug it all in to make sure everything is connecting. Remove the battery tab on the door sensor. Just pull it all the way out. Plug in the Wi-Fi hub. Click on the MyQ app. Click on Add Device. Select MyQ Smart Garage Hub. Next. I already plugged the Wi-Fi hub in. I'm going to click Next. Do you see blinking blue lights? Just a blinking blue light. Yes. Now scan the 10-digit serial number located on the back of the device, or you can enter the serial number manually. After you enter or scan the barcode, it's going to ask you to join my Wi-Fi network. Click Join. Alright, now select your Wi-Fi network. After you select your Wi-Fi, Put in the password for it to connect. Add to Wi-Fi. You have successfully connected your device to your Wi-Fi network. Now let's connect your device to the garage door opener. Click Next. I already put a battery tab out. Next. Test the door sensor. Push the release button on the front where the arrow indicates. I see the red LED light. Click Next. Next step, will pair your door sensor to your Smart Garage Hub. Tap Next to begin. So tap Next. Press and release the button again. Door sensor now paired to your Smart Garage Hub. Click Next. Now the door sensor and the Wi-Fi hub are connected. We're going to mount the door sensor and the Wi-Fi hub. Grab your Wi-Fi mount and the drill bit. Use your drill bit to mark where you want to drill the hole so you can insert the plastic anchor to mount the mount. So this is where I'm going to put it. I'm going to use the drill bit to mark the hole where I'm going to drill. Grab your drill, insert the drill bit, and drill out the 2 holes. Grab your 2 plastic anchor, insert it into the hole, like that. Get a filler bit, put it to your drill, screws, mount, now slide the Wi-Fi hub onto the mount. There's a slot right here. Just slide right on. Peel off the 2 sticky pad. Put the sticky pad onto the back of your door sensor. And mount your door sensor into your garage door. Make sure you put it on the top panel. The door sensor is mounted. Click Next. Now make sure you put it on the top panel. So we did all that. Let's skip everything here. My garage door opener have the purple color learning button. Select purple. Press and release the learn button. There you go. My garage door is opening. That means working. Now next. Now you're going to name your garage door opener. If you want to, if not, then you don't have to. So I'm going to name it garage door. Done. It's already plugged in. I'm not an Amazon Prime member, so maybe later. Okay. Garage door is closed for 1 minute. Now, everything's set. To open your garage door, just press on the icon. Press on the icon again to close the garage door, and there's a warning beep sound saying the garage door is closing up, so no one will be in its way. Stick the warning label next to your garage door opener button. To link the MyQ Smart Garage Hub to the Google Assistant so you could voice control your garage door to open or close. First, you're going to have to go to your web browser and type in MyQ Services. And go to myqservices.com. Log into your MyQ account. Once you log into MyQ account, go down and click on Add Subscription and select the service you want to add to link. Click on Connect MyQ to Google Home. I am already subscribed to MyQ service. Right now, they have a limited time offer for a free subscription if you subscribe at this time. But if at the time that you try to link your MyQ Garage Door Hub to the Google Assistant, you might have to pay for the plan for the subscription. You click on plan and it's either you pay $1 a month or $10 for the whole year. Once you select your plan, you go back to the MyQ app. After you're done signing up for the MyQ service subscription, go to the MyQ app, click on the app. On the top left corner, click on Setting, scroll down, and select Work with MyQ. And then click on Google Assistant. If you don't already have the app, click on Get App to install the app and open up the app to link the MyQ Smart Garage Hub to Google Assistant. That's simple. Hey Google, ask MyQ to close the garage door.
Getting MyQ. I'll work on that.
If you guys have any comments, any questions on how to set up or install the MyQ Smart Garage Hub, drop it in the comment section down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.